FHA SFR Appraising Handbook 4000.1, page 41. As is condition and cosmetic repairs. The appraiser may complete an as-is appraisal for existing properties when minor property deficiencies, which generally result from deferred maintenance and normal wear and tear, do not affect the health and safety of the occupants or the security and soundness of the property. Cosmetic or minor repairs are not required, but the appraiser must report and consider them in the overall condition when rating and valuing the property. Cosmetic repairs include missing handrails that do not pose a threat to safety, holes in window screens, cracked window glass, defective interior paint surfaces in housing constructed after 1978, minor plumbing leaks that do not cause damage such as a dripping faucet, and other inoperable or damaged components that, in the appraiser's professional judgment, do not pose a health and safety issue to the occupants of the house. If an element is functioning well but has not reached the end of its useful life, the appraiser should not recommend replacement because of age, defective conditions requiring repair. The nature and degree of any noted deficiency will determine whether the appraiser must address the deficiency in the narrative comments area of the report under condition of the property, or physical deficiencies affecting livability or structural soundness. Conditions requiring inspection by a qualified individual or entity. The appraiser must notify the mortgagee and make the appraisal subject to an inspection by a qualified individual or entity when the observation reveals evidence of a potential safety, soundness, or security issue beyond the appraiser's ability to assess. The appraiser must report and describe the indication of a particular problem when requiring an inspection of any mechanical system, structural system, or other component requiring a repair. Utility services. Definition. Utility services refer to those services consumed by the public such as individual electric, water, natural gas, sewage, and telephone. Required analysis and reporting. The appraiser must notify the mortgagee of the deficiency of NPR or NPS if the subject property is an attached, detached, or manufactured single-family dwelling and the utilities are not independent for each living unit. This does not apply to ADUs. The appraiser must also notify the mortgagee of the deficiency of NPR or NPS if utilities are not located on easements that have been permanently dedicated to the local government or appropriate public utility body.